All right, I'm unboxing my new scale. I'm gonna move my camera down a little bit so you guys can see. So I just got this from Amazon. I did order it on Amazon. Oh, I wanna teach you one other little thing. So it's a box in a box, but you see this stuff that you get? What you do is you fold it, and I'm sorry about the noise. What I do is I take it and I flatten it up, tear off that little end. That you can use this in your junk journals, but I'm using it to ship, so I don't have to buy as much craft paper. You can just, I like to reuse it again. Why throw it away when you can put it in a box that you're sending to somebody? So this is a digital stamping scale. This is for my homemade products. I need to weigh them for the United States Post Office, which I do all my mailing usually through them. And I also need it for my eBay reselling store. So I need it to have, I have an old scale that's like, it's still digital, but it's from the US Post Office, but it's super old and I just don't really trust it anymore. Plus this one goes up to 440 pounds. So that I really like about it. So let me take this apart. I'm always so bad at lifting. Oops, there we go. Lifting these up. Oh, and it's upside down. Oh, wow. Okay, it's nice. So this one, let's see what it comes with. Oh boy, this is a USB. Where's the charger? Okay, so it has, oh good, it's got the plug. I was gonna say, I can't do it in my computer. So this has the plug that it goes in. Okay, that's good. That goes in the wall. It also comes with the batteries. I don't know what the screws are there for, but we'll figure that out. And then it has this here. So this is the digital part of the scale. I also keep the bubble wrap, but not a little tiny piece like this tiny. So here's the, well, I won't take it all the way. So it has a mode, a hold, and a tear. So then, and then the off button there. And it is attached to the scale here. That's pretty nice. I can put a box on there. That's really nice. So it says install batteries, 2 batteries, and then turn the scale on and off, changes the weight, lock the value, and okay. And then it tells me how to weigh it. That's really cool. It doesn't say anything that it has this to it. Let's see, where does this go? I don't see where this plugs into. I don't see a hole anywhere. Well, that's interesting. I wonder what, oh, I think I know. That goes to here. That makes sense. So the batteries go, oh, here the batteries go in there too. Interesting. Okay. So the batteries go in there and then this goes in here. So I guess it can charge either way, which is great because if I bring it out to my warehouse / workshop to do bulk orders like for eBay, I can just bring it out with and not have to worry about putting it next to a plug. So that is my new scale. Sorry you didn't see my face the whole time, but I wanted you to see me unpacking it. Anyway, really excited about this. I'll leave a link in my description. I did get it on Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description. It was very reasonably priced, super reasonably priced. Comes with a quick start guide and everything like that. So I'm excited about getting that going. So I have almost everything ready. There's so much I wanted to do, so much I want to do, and so much I want to create and make and all that stuff. I'll see you on the next video.